I came here a couple of minutes back, 1 or 2 minutes. I have the moment I came in, I captured that screen capture of those images and time while I was out. So I have to give this. First, I'll give the schedule and then I'll give the case details. I went down from here. I made a call at my door to my mother that I am coming down. Huh? So suddenly on fourth floor, one lady came, hmm, entered, and she must be 50, 60 plus. That's how I could see. I could say. So later, I went down. So I always asked that who was the one. The guard confirmed. That's the 406 guy, Yogesh, hmm, who made noise, and that's the same person who follows me outside. So it's confirmed Yogesh and that the follower is the same, the black car guy, and he was some 50-year-old lady. So if that lady is his shield, I'll speak about it later. So she might be in her 50s. Then I went out to pick my mother near the Aqua. Then I came, dropped her near the therapy. When I came back, I saw Desai near the medical. So I went from there. I met him. Then I went near the tea stall. I had a tea, I had a smoke. Then I went near the shop where I gave the portable. Then again from there I came near at the Desai where he met me. I took a selfie and then I went. I came here. Came here and at the what do you call it? The downstairs, the lobby. What is it called? Near the lift, nameplate. I took a picture. Then I entered the elevator, came in, gave the details, and so this is the thing, the event which has happened. So the one who came inside the elevator when I called my mother that I am coming, immediately she came, right, into the lift. What she got to do? So she was the one who records me from the clone and watches me nude, and messages herself, and that's why that's the scam, and that's his shield. The guy who was following me, who put bugs into my house. Where is the clone phone? And why did he put parameter in 2023 December in the portable? Then why did he delete data in 2022 May, month of May? I was not even living here. So that lady, 50-year-old lady, is using her as shield. She's not even a one-time fuck. Hearing this word, I have seen much better prostitutes than her. Hearing this one. So if that's the shield to follow me and scam me and steal my portable, so she's not even not a one-time fuck. She's 50 plus. She looks somewhere around 50 plus, and she's splashing water. That guy is so it's confirmed that 406 guy, the one who annoys and follows, and Yogesh, I still don't know is the owner or not. I cannot tell. Is the same guy. So if that guy followed me till Pune and made a transaction to Transuka then, and if that guy got caught in Vashi, then Vashi told, and that guy's lady was planting phone location in the elevator, then I didn't even bother to look at her. Yesterday I came to know she was walking with him. So I saw her once. I had 1-2 second glimpse that now I had one suspect. Now that suspect is using a shield, lady. So today when that 50 plus old lady entered the lift, she looks 50 plus. I don't know how. This Beduk Chak, both the sisters look 40 plus. That lady looks 50 plus. So I don't know. Like this one. So that's the shield and that's the GPS proof. Huh? For recording me jerking off in my bathroom. Huh? If they challenge me something like this, I'll eat an entire chicken and jerk off 5,000 times in a day. You want to see this? Fucking venture. Don't fucking interfere in my life. That's what it is. Get the fuck out of my life. And such people, if they are doing a GPS spoof and following me and that's the shield, that's worse than prostitute. I have seen much better people than that. Though that guy who is 60 plus is going out with 50 plus and he is, what do you call it? After a guy who is in his mid 30s. And who that guy is? That guy is getting looted. Me. I'm getting scammed. And the 60 plus and 50 plus people are involved in this. And they call themselves children.